Discussing about the linear regression versus logical regression. Linear regression and logical regression are two forms of basic machine learning algorithm which come under the supervised learning techniques. Since both algorithms are used in the supervised in nature, hence the algorithm are labeled data set into the make the prediction. But the main difference between how they are being used. The linear regression is used for the solving regression problem, whereas logical regression is used to solving classification problem. The description of the both algorithm is different label types. This is the independent variable. This is the linear regression. This is the logical regression. This is x is equal to independent variable, y is equal to independent variable. This is also same. This is the curve. Logical is the curve. Linear is the straight line. Linear regression. Linear regression is the one of the most simple regression algorithm comes under the supervised learning technique, and we are using the solving the regression problem. It is used to predicting the continuous dependent variable with the help of independent variable. The goal of the regression, linear regression, to find the best fit line in the accurately predict with the output of continuously dependent variable. If the single independent variable is used to predict, then it is called the simple linear regression. And if there is more than two independent variables, such as regression is called multiple linear regression. But finding the best fit line algorithm establishes the relationship between dependent and independent variable, and the relationship should be of linear nature. The output for the linear regression should only be the continuous variable such price, age, salary, etc. Then relationship between dependent variable and independent variable can shown in this picture. This is the x is equal to experience, y is equal to salary. This is the predict value. This go in the straight line. This is called linear regression. This is a formula for already we are discussing about that. Yeah, the same formula only. Now we are discussing the difference between both linear regression and logical regression. Okay. Logical regression. Logical is one of the most machine learning algorithms come under the supervised technique. This is also supervised. Linear regression also supervised. This is used in the classification as a regression problem, but mainly used in the classification problem. Okay. The logical regression is to predict the categorical dependent variable with the help of independent variable. The output of the problem, it will come 0 and or 1. Between or 1. The logical regression is used to predict the probabilities between two classes required, either 0 or 1, true or false. That is enough. Logical regression is the concept of minimum likelihood estimation. According to estimation, the observed data must be more probable. The logical regression we pass the weight sum of input throughout the activation function that can be mapped into between 0 and 1. Such as the symbol is called symboid S curve. This is called X curve. Okay, this middle point is threshold value. That's all. And this formula also already seen in the previous video. Now we are discussing about the linear regression and the logical regression. Difference between linear regression is used to predict continuous variable and a dependent variable with the help of given independent variable. Logical regression is the category value is the dependent variable and the using of given set independent variables. Linear regression is used to solve the prediction problem. Logical also is used to predict the classification problem. Linear regression is we predict the value continuous variable. In logical regression we predict the value of logical value. In linear regression we find the best fit line in the easily predict the output. In the logical regression find the S curve with the help of classifying the samples. Least square elimination method is used the elimination of accuracy. Maximum likelihood estimation is used for the accuracy. The output of the linear line regression system must have a continuous value such as the price, age, etc. The output of the logical regression is the value is between 0 to 1 or yes or no, etc. In linear regression, it requires the relationship between dependent and independent variable must be linear. In logical regression, it is not required to have a linear relationship between independent and independent variable. In linear regression, there may be the collinearity between independent variables. In logical regression, there should be the collinearity between independent variables. Then we are going to decision tree classification algorithm. decision tree classification algorithm. Decision tree classification supervised algorithm. It both it used in the both classification and regression problems. Mostly we are preferred as solving the classification problem. True structure classifier, where internal nodes are present as the feature or the data stream brancher represent as the decision rule, and each leaf node represent the outcomes. The decision tree, there is the two nodes, decision node and leaf node. Decision node used to the make a decision and have a multi branches, whether the leaf node or the output those the decision and not contain any future branches. The decision or the test are performed on the basis of the future given data. This is a very important point. Now we are teaching. It is the graphical represent of the getting all possible solution to the problem or decision based on the given condition. It is called the decision tree because the similar to the tree, it starts from the root node, which expand on the future branches and construct the tree-like structure. In order to build a tree, we use the CART algorithm. CART stands for Classification and Regression Tree Algorithm. A decision tree is simply asked a question based on this yes or no, truth or false. It's a future. Further split the tree into subtrees. Below the diagram is explained of all. You see this. This is the decision node. This is based on root node. Subtree. This is the subtree. This is leaf node. This is the leaf node. These are the children's. Okay. Why are using the decision tree? The various of algorithm machine learning choose the best algorithm for the given data set, and the problem is used to point the remember while creating the machine learning model. Decision tree usually mimic human thinking ability to making a decision, so to understand the logic behind the decision tree can easily understood because it stores the tree-like structure. The decision tree terminologies. Root node is the form where the decision tree starts. It represents the entire data set, which further divided into two more or homogeneous set. Leaf node is the final output of the node, and the tree cannot be segregated further after getting a leaf node. Splitting is the process of the dividing the decision node or root node is sub node according to the given condition. Branches or sub branches tree. A tree is formed by the splitting the data. Pernishing is the processing remove the unwanted branches from the tree. Parent or children node. The root node is the tree node called the parent node, and our other node is called the children's node. Then we already discussed how it's work is step by step in process. We are already discussed in it previously. Now we are going to attribute the selections of measure. While implementing the decision tree, the main issues are arising from the how to select the best attribute for the root node for the sub node. To solve the such as a problem, there is the technique is called attribute selection measure or ASM. By the measurement, we have easily selected by the best attribute for the node of the tree. There are two types of ASM: information gain and Gini index. Information gain is the measurement change into entropy after the segmentation of the data set based on the attribute. It's calculate how much information further provides about the classes. According to the value of information gain, we split the node and build the decision tree. A decision tree algorithm always tries a maximum of the value information gain and node or attribute value. The highest information gain is the split. First, it can be calculated using the below formula. Information gain is equal to entropy x minus weight average into entropy each further. Entropy is the metric to measure the impurity in the given attribute. It specifies a randomness in the data. Entropy can be calculated as E entropy x is equal to minus ps log 2 p of x. Yes, then minus p of no is equal to 2 log 2 p of no. where S is equal to number of sample, P of X is equal to probability of X, P of no is equal to probability of no. Gini index. Gini index is the measurement to impurity or purity used while creating the decision tree or CART. CART is the expansion of classification and regression tree algorithm. A attribute which the low Gini index should be performed as the compared to the high Gini index. It creates the only binary set, and the CART algorithm use the Gini index to create the binary specs. Gini index can be calculated below formula is Gini index equal to 1 minus sigma P of j power 2. Pruning getting and the optimal decision tree. Pruning is a too larger tree increase the risk of overfitting, and the small tree is a capture of all important methods of the data set. Therefore, the technique that the decrease of the size learning without the tree reducing the accuracy of the pruning. There are the two types: cost complexity pruning and reduced complexity pruning. Advantage of the decision tree. It is simple to understand, following the same process with the human while in the making a decision tree in real life. It is used to solving the decision related problems. It helps to think all possible outcomes of the problems. There is the less recommend data cleaning compared to the other algorithms. Disadvantage of the decision tree. The decision tree contains a lot of layers without which making it complex. It may have a overfitting issue. It can be resolved using the random forest algorithm. For more class label, the computable the complexity of the decision tree is increased. Then implementation of the decision tree using Python. Data set fitting the decision tree, check the result, test accuracy. Data pre-processing step. What are the pre-processing steps? First, import the libraries, and then import the data set and extracting the dependent and independent variable. Split the data into trained and tested. Further scaling. This is the value of our okay. Then we are going to. Then we are going to. Okay, guys, I am stopping here. Next